welcome back to Shohag's Online English Tutorial Facebook page and YouTube channel. Today I wanna take you through the new environment. That is, my students are going to perform a dialogue about the importance of learning English. Hope you will enjoy the dialogue very much and to keep with Shohag's Online English Tutorial Facebook page and YouTube channel, and that will develop the upgrade of the standard. And first of all, that I would like to introduce my students. Before you, first I would like to go Samia Sultana. Introduce yourself shortly.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Samia Sultana with you. I am a student of the Asian Girls High School. I read in class 10.
Then introduce Kanis.
Assalamu alaikum. At first, I like introduce myself before you. This is Kanis with you. I am a student of the Asian Girls High School and I read in class 10.
Now we are going to perform a dialogue between I and my friend Kanis about the importance of learning English.
Start.
Hi Kanis.
Hello Samia.
How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
I'm not bad. But why are you looking so pale and dejected?
You know I am not good at all because I can't do it in English. So what should I do?
You know, English is an international language. Without English, a man is just like a frog of narrow. It can provide you a lot of facilities. So you need regular practice on grammar and spoken.
What facilities can English provide?
You know, modern world is face of globalization. In this time, a common language is very essential. English is that common language. It can provide you better salary and better living.
For what kind of job we need English?
If you wanna be a doctor, pilot, banker, telephone operator, etc., you must know English. Even a hotel boy can't do without English. The Olympic Committee always holds their meeting in English.
What advance can English play our academic career?
Oh, I see. A poor knowledge of English is the main reason of failure in the competitive examination. The books of higher classes are written in English and translated in English. Even you can't get our fixed education without English.
Oh, I understand now that English is the main staple to go forward, and without English, a man just like a fish out of water.
You'll be astonished to hear that about 350 million people speak in English as their first language, and about 300 million people speak in English as their second language.
Thank you, Samia, for giving me a valuable information in English.
You are most welcome, Hanis.
Bye.